it's Brooke with WTI.
Check out this LED face mask light therapy by ZUTTA. I like the emitting diodes, the brilliance of them, and my sessions only last 10 minutes because I feel like it's a maximum effect. The comfort of this with the Velcro strap makes it a universal fit, and I can easily keep it clean because of the flexi silicone covering these LEDs. I also like that the iPads are removable so I can clean them as well. This is very lightweight. This is also portable. It doesn't have to be plugged into the outlet while using it. The front is pretty to look at. And then when you're not using it, you can store it in this bag so you can keep it dust free. This is really easy with the remote control. You have one button and 3 settings, red, blue, or the combined red and blue. And you can charge it and see the battery charge here. The straps are wide and fit comfortably around my head, and it feels nice with these iPads covering and keeping the light from going into my eye. I also like that it stays in place while using it. It's nice around my ears so I can just relax, and it does a great job of getting into the crevices, especially even around my nose. So I use this only 3 times a week, and it really does exactly what it says it does for me. Plus, it's easy to use and convenient.
I love this, but that's just my point of view.